Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. In today's video, we'll be diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to zoom in and zoom out in Capcut, specifically on your PC. So, without further delay, let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so here I have Capcut open, and I've already imported a video into the timeline. Now, to start the zooming process, simply select the video clip you want to work on. When your clip is selected, you can see a Properties panel at the right corner. Within this Properties panel, you'll find various options, but for today, we're interested in the Video tab. To achieve our zoom effect, we'll focus on the position and size settings. Let's say I want to zoom into a specific part of the video. To initiate the zoom, place the cursor at the video where you want. Enable the Add Keyframe option. And adjust the scale to zoom in. Now, after zooming, you can adjust position. Wait for a few seconds with the desired zoom, and if you wish to transition smoothly, move the cursor to where you want the zoom out to begin. Add another keyframe, adjust the scale to zoom out, and reposition the video accordingly. In case you make a mistake or want to make adjustments, deleting keyframes is simple. Just locate the keyframe you want to remove, right-click on it, and hit the delete. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to zoom in and zoom out in Capcut on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.